The program that I'm going to show you now is Jing. Jing is a free download that's usable for PC or Mac. It's very user-friendly, easy to install and easy to use. I've already installed it here, so I'm going to search for it in my Spotlight on my Mac here, and I'm just going to go to my top hit here, which is Jing. Now you'll notice that you get this yellow circle in the middle of your page, and then it seems to disappear. But what you'll find is it's actually in the corner over here, and you can use that to access your screencast software at any time. So I'm just going to use my crosshair here, and I want to capture. Now what you'll notice is you get this little crosshair, and you can either click on it here, because you'll notice that around the side of that this screen here, this window, that everything else goes dark, and that screen, that window, is the only thing that's selected. Or I can click and drag to create a particular area that I want to record. For example, I can do that. Now you'll notice then that you get these images down the bottom. The first one is to capture an image. So I can use that, say for example, if I wanted to take a picture of a diagram out of, say, an exam that was perhaps not published in a Word document format, and use that in a practice question for a student for a class. So I can just capture that, and that straight away allows me, you'll notice that that just gives it a little bit there. I can then go through and annotate that with different areas. So I can go here and I can go, this part here is really important. Once I've done that, I can hit save here, and it will ask me where I want to save it. I'm just going to save it on my desktop here. And you'll notice up here on my desktop that I actually have that particular image. So it helps me, particularly if I'm going to do things like I can screen capture parts of my software and annotate that for use. So the next thing I can do, I'm just going to go back and do a second one here, and this time instead of selecting an area, I'm just going to click on the title bar of my window. And you'll notice down the bottom here I get some other options. One is capture a video. And what that will do, it'll tell me that it's counting down, so I can be ready when the video actually starts recording. And you'll notice up the top here that I get stop, pause, turn on my webcam. I don't want to do that. Mute the microphone, so say for example if I have a coughing fit in the middle of it, or you can restart the recording. The close is obviously cancel. What I can do here is it's only going to record what's in the yellow section there. So I can do things like I can go through and check my spelling, interaction with programs such as, I don't see anything grammatically wrong with that. There might be a space missing there. Yep, extra space. So I can go through and change things about my document. Once I've done that, if I just hit stop, so that's the entirety of my screencast. And the great thing about this is I can either save it to my desktop, so I can be ready when the video actually starts recording. And you'll notice up the top here that I get, so you can preview that and decide what you want to do with it. You'll notice it only actually saved the internal window. Now I can hit save on that and save it to my desktop, or what I can do is just upload it to YouTube. Once I hit that button, it uploads to YouTube, provided that I've put in my YouTube password and username and things like that.